how you make me feel. Oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey you guys, so I am back to do another video for you guys. I'm a little irritated and I'm gonna tell you why. So I've already filmed this wig and so I decided to refilm it so I can fix it because I didn't really like the way it looked the first time. So I was like, okay, well since I already filmed all the good stuff, all I gotta do is put it on and tell you my review on it. I don't know what my memory card is, so this is going to be a little bit different. I'm sorry. But the wig I have on right now is Outre's Perfect Hairline Tianna. I have her in a 1B. It's either Tianna or, yeah, Tianna. I don't know. Tianna? I don't know. So it got two N's instead of one N. So I have her in a 1B. Now, I'm still going to show you guys how I tried to style this wig. Because I did do that, but I did not film gluing it down and all of that stuff because I assumed that I had it already. So, I'm sorry. But, I'm going to let y'all see that. Me trying to style this wig and I'll be right back.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you made.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, with the wig styled and on. I had it on in the first place, but still, y'all know what I mean. So this is Outre's Perfect Hairline Tianna, not really sure. She got two N's in her, so I'm just gonna say Tianna. Now, she cute. She's really, really cute. I saw this wig on Cassie That Girl and I had to get it. She was pretty on her. But I'm gonna tell y'all what I like and dislike about this wig. But I really do like this wig, do not get me wrong. She is, of course, from the Outre's Perfect Hairline collection, which I've been loving. She's a 13x4 fully hand-tied lace wig, transparent lace, no plucking required, HD transparent lace. I'm sorry. Natural baby hairs, I don't use them. She does have that band in the back, which I absolutely love for the pea head gang. Me, that's me. And it's heat styling up to 400 degrees. Okay, I didn't put any heat on this wig. I didn't think you needed to. She is not a yaki unit. She is silky. I have not gotten a yaki unit in quite a long time. Well, a silky unit in quite a long time. Y'all know I love texture and I love a yaki unit. So this is a little different from me. Y'all. So because she's so straight, she has all these flyaways, and as you can see, I'm steady trying to move hair out of my face because I can feel it on my face because she's so straight and kind of, I don't want to say stringy because that's a bad word. Y'all don't want nothing stringy, but she has a lot of flyaways, let's say that. Is she a beautiful wig? Yes, she's pretty, she's normal, she's about 12 inches. She's, you know, a little cool little bob. She has no layers in her. She is all one length. She's cute, no issues with her. I don't have any issues. She's not shedding. No shedding. Well, I got a strand there, but it's a strand. It's one strand. And no tangling. She's not tangling, but she's 12 inches long. She shouldn't be tangling. Okay, I got a few more strands, but that's 3 strands in total, so that's still not that bad. She shed a little bit. But still no, I don't know. There's no shedding to it. Like, she's just a really cute, normal style. So if you want something you can part all over, because you can part this all over, you know, that's a cute work wig. This is a work wig. This is a wig where you don't have to worry about anything. Just throw it on. She's office friendly. She's going to get that loan. She is going to the meeting. She is that type of wig. She real prestigious. She cute. And I think I did a pretty okay job with gluing her down this time. I'm getting good at this melter downer stuff, y'all. Y'all know I'm not a good melter downer. I'm not at all. I did put a little powder over here because this is where I wanted my part to be. Let me show you her in the mid-toe. Here she is in the middle. Okay. Here she is in the middle. Cute. Here is her on the right. I do not recommend y'all comb this wig with a rat tail comb like I just did. I felt like she was tangling with the rat tail comb. It's better for you to use your big paddle brush or wig brush to comb this wig out. But she's cute on all sides. Y'all see what I mean with all these stray hairs every time I move her? Like, that is what's gonna drive me crazy. Like, I'm really gonna have to put some, like, gots to be in my hand when I decide to wear her, and just so she can stay where she's supposed to stay. Okay, so here's she on the right, for the right hand girl, for the right girls. When I say I'm a lefty, y'all, I'm not left-handed. I'm not. But I do like my parts on the left-hand side, and I was raised by a left-handed man who did not care that his kids was right-handed. So I know how to do a lot of things with my left hand. So I'm more comfortable with my left hand a lot. I'm sorry. But anywho, this is her, and she's cute. Let's see what she looked like. Half up, puff, half down. Which, Cassie, that girl, had her half up, half down, and I was like, yes! She looked so pretty on her. She killed it. Okay, let's see. Cause she ain't really got no layers, y'all, so she not how I had like Julianne. And Julianne was like giving me all life because she had all them layers and flips and twists and curls. This not gonna be like that. But she's sleek, and you can't go wrong with something sleek. Okay, here she go, half up, half down. I would put her hat all the way up, but y'all know I don't do my wigs all the way down when I do reviews, just because of the fact that, okay, she's shedding a little bit more now, y'all. Yeah, she's shedding a little bit more. So she is shedding, no tangles still. But this is her. Half up, half down. I would put her all the way up, but y'all know I don't glue this wig all the way down when I'm doing reviews, just because I'm gonna take them off. Like, I'm not going anywhere like I usually do my makeup, sit in front of a camera, do these reviews, and take everything off and go to sleep. I don't really do too much. But this is Tianna, y'all. I'm so sorry. I know I'm about to miss a week. This is my birthday week. I will be 31 on August 20th, which is this Thursday. So by the time y'all see this video, my birthday been and came and went. But but I did miss this week of videos. I was just not feeling it. You know what I mean? And I had so much running around to do, so much to do, so I just didn't get to it. But I still wanted to get this video out for you guys, even though I lost my memory card. So it is not going to be how you guys are usually to see in my videos. You will see me come on with this wig already on. And I'm sorry. I really am. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. So I really need to find that memory card. That's my good memory card. But I believe she is really cute. She's simple. If you just want an everyday style that you can part anywhere, this one may last a little longer because she's shorter, but she is very silky, y'all. So you need to be prepared for her being this silky if you're used to yucky textured wigs. But she's pretty, really pretty, simple style, easy style. You don't have to do much. Plop her on. Well, not really plop her on because you're gonna have to do some work because you got to glue her down. You have to glue this down. But once you get her on, you just go, honey. It's a wrap. like bye. But she's really cute. Let me know in the comment section if you like this wig. If you do like this wig, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share my videos with your wig loving friends. I would greatly appreciate it. And go ahead and subscribe, because why not? You ain't got nothing else to do. So you might as well subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye bye.